Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name's Malaysia and this is my beauty channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Too Faced Golden Chocolate Eyeshadow Palette along with some swatches and an eye look. My favorite eye look at that. It's just so glamorous and it goes so good with that chocolate skin tone. Girl, hop on this, girl. Hop on this. So before I do the eyeshadow look, I'm going to be doing some swatches for you guys so you can get an idea of, how these eyeshadow pigments look like. Keep in mind, this is just the pigments on camera. They are way more shinier in person. Like, I don't think the camera could pick up how shiny and just beautiful these eyeshadows are. So this is the eyeshadow palette. It comes in 16 shades and it comes with a beautiful mirror. As you can see, these two shades are filled in more. I'm guessing these two shades were meant to be the most used shades. So I'm going to start the swatches starting from this all the way down and then beginning with this all the way down and going to this all the way down. So this eyeshadow is called Moneybags. Now we have Chocolate Gold. We're going in with Rich Girl. Coca Truffle, which is just a brown. It may look a little ashy on me because my skin is brown, but it's a nice brown pigmented matte color. Then we have Love and Coca, which is a shimmery like copper type of shade. This is Old Money, which is a gold shade. This is New Money, which is a beautiful type of purple. This color is called Famous, which is a very nice gold color. I might just try it out next time I do an eye look. This color is called Classy and Sassy, which is like a rose gold. This is kind of a tan color, so bougie. This is a army green, forest green color. That's a shimmery forest green color called Holler for Dollar, which I was really excited about when I got it, or when I first spotted this eyeshadow palette. It is so beautiful. I don't know why I haven't come up with a look yet with this color. This color is called Gold Piped, which is another shade of gold. This one is called Livin' Lavish, which is a shimmery purple. Oh my god! And this color is a silver called Dippin' in Diamonds. Look at this beauty! And last but not least, we have Rollin' in Dough, which is like a combination of white and tan. It's kind of like a white vanilla color. Not white, but like kind of white, you know? So yeah, the majority of these shades are all like shimmers and shiny. It says on a box that the eyeshadow is made of chocolate cocoa and gold. And I didn't believe it until somehow the eyeshadow got in my mouth and it tasted like chocolate.
Chocolate? Did you say chocolate? Chocolate? Chocolate! 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 Chocolate!
So, of course, if the eyeshadow tastes like chocolate, it also smells like chocolate. Like, girl, if you like chocolate, what are you doing? What are you doing with your life if you haven't got this palette? It's pretty, it's tasty, it smells good, like you can't go wrong. And the colors are beautiful. So if you guys want to see how I got this eyeshadow look with the palette, then just continue to watch the video. So I'm starting off with my eyebrows already done just to save up time, and I'm going in with a light brown, similar to the color of my skin tone. I'm going in with my Morphe 35R eyeshadow palette, which is filled with lots of browns and golds for this look. But I'm just going to be using the browns. Now I'm going to blend over it with an even darker brown to make somewhat of an ombre effect with the browns. Now I'm going to go over it and blend in an even darker brown to really enhance that ombre type of look. Now with one of my concealers, I'm going to create a cut crease. And then I'm going to go into Chocolate Gold and pack on that shade to my cut crease. After that, I'm going to add Rollin' in Dough on the inner corner of my eye to really make this look pop.
Now as you can see, there's a little bit of gold dust kind of making the cut crease not look so cut. So I'm just taking my brush and cleaning that up. The same brush I use to blend out the brown. Now on the edges, I'm going in with an even darker brown, as dark as brown I could find, to really make that smoky effect from the Morphe palette with all the brown. Now if you want, you can also add Descendant, the black shade in a Too Faced palette, which I somehow forgot to swatch, but it's just as pigmented as all the other shades. So yeah, of course, then I do the other eye, and that's pretty much the look after I put on eyeliner, mascara.
So this is the final look, you guys. Once I put on eyeliner, mascara, and lipstick, it looks pretty good. I really love how this came out. Overall, I really love this eyeshadow palette. It is my favorite eyeshadow palette, and I would recommend, if you like chocolate, if you like shimmery shades that have pigment, if you like gold, if you like this eye look, if you're a chocolate girl like me, even if you're a light skin girl, like there's so many beautiful shades in here. This is the best palette I've ever witnessed, I've ever gotten, I've ever tasted. I don't taste palettes, but if I did, this would be the best tasting one because it tastes like chocolate. This is hot. This is hot. If you guys already have this eyeshadow palette, comment down below and let me know what you think about it and what are your favorite shades to wear. I will be working on doing some more looks with this eyeshadow palette because I definitely want to work with the green colors, Money Bags and Holler for the Dollar. Like those look like really cool colors. If you guys want to check out the eyeshadow palette, I will leave a link down below. It's retailed at $50. I'm not sure how much it would be for tax. I got this for Christmas for my boyfriend, so I didn't really have to pay for it, but I definitely would if he didn't get it for me. And if that's too much of a high price for you guys, check out the Morphe 35R palette. I would also leave a link to that down below. It has just as pigmented gold colors. With this Morphe palette, they don't have names for the shades, but they have just as pigmented gold, and such a great dupe for the Too Faced palette. I mean, they don't have like all the greens and all the freaking purple colors and stuff like that, but if you're looking for colors to make this eyeshadow look and you cannot afford a $50 eyeshadow palette, the Morphe 35R palette is definitely a great dupe. It is retailed at, I think it's no more than $25. I know this is like a Too Faced review, but I definitely wanted to point that out. So yeah, that's the eyeshadow palette for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the review and the swatches and the look. Let me know if you guys try this look out. I would definitely love to see you guys do this look. If you guys try out this look, definitely tag my ass at Melee Loves Ya on Twitter and Instagram, and I will spam the living daylights out of your account because I just love people. I just love people, you know, and I love makeup, so like it just goes together. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you guys